Welcome to Steve and Audra's Breakfast Cafe. This morning on the menu, we're making some croissant egg sandwiches. This is the cafe proprietor. Are you ready for your breakfast?
A little porridge, please.
How about I just give you this plate, and then you can bring it back.
Do you want to eat here or in our...
I think we should take it into Cracker Barrel.
All right, the one with avocado is the one for Christina.
This is very extra. Thank you so much.
That'll be $20.03.
I ordered a Diet Coke too.
Have a good day.
All right, just filled up some gasoline using our Upside app. Check it out in our description below. It'll save you some pennies on every gallon. Highly recommend it. And also, currently, Discover Card is offering 5% back on gas purchases. So every little place you can save adds up.
The savings with Discover might not be happening right now when you watch this video, but check their site because they have different deals at different times. Sometimes it's restaurants, sometimes it's gas or groceries. So it's worth checking out. Those savings add up. Welcome to downtown Chattanooga. Well, we've made it to downtown Chattanooga. Time to check things out. Sounds like there's some cool stuff here to see. All right, we found a place to park. Now we're gonna go check things out.
All the sips.
I got the $7 Diet Pepsi.
For free?
Sure.
Before checking things out, the guys had to use their Sips Club and get some free drinks.
Oh, it says it runs Monday through Friday.
It does go on Market Street.
All right,
Just only Market.
so what are we doing here?
We're going to take the free electric shuttle down to Chattanooga Choo Choo.
Yes.
Where is the choo-choo? Like where? What number is it?
It's 1400 Market Street.
Right here somewhere?
Is it the end? Isn't it the end?
This is... Oh, yeah.
Yeah, we're at-
no, yeah,
we're
it's
at
down
this
here
one right
somewhere.
Here, it's right here.
We're over
We're
here.
at 47?
It's right here.
Welcome aboard, Carta.
Are you so excited?
You found it. That's what I'm excited
Could have walked there by now.
Right, Bill.
Yeah, but you all don't want to walk.
You're welcome, guys. Right over there in the back of the choo-choo over there.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Appreciate it, thank you.
Yes.
Thank you.
Have a good one.
Guess what we're doing? We're going to see the Chattanooga Choo Choo.
And it's only a 260? That is no big boy.
Choo Choo.
Chattanooga choo-choo, run it down again. Let's go. 1, 2.
Let's take you back to the 1880s.
Where should we board, Bill? I think he found it. She comes! Beep, 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 beep.
33. But I like the boat.
That's the only one I'll say no. Yeah.
Where are they going?
They're going all the way.
River? Look, this is like Lombard Street in San Francisco. Well, this is fun.
Meow. Yeah.
What do you see down there?
Great blue heron.
Really? Whoa, that's a long way down. And there is a great blue heron. We just walked over Walnut Street Bridge and we're gonna go check out Coolidge Park.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Nice pass.
Shoots.
Oh.
Oh
Oof.
boy. Oh boy.
All right, now let her down gently. 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 A little more. A little more. No! Ugh. Come on. Now you're off center, but whatever. Gently. 6 more inches. 5, 4, 3, 2. Come on, a little more. Step. Right
Oh,
there. Nice. But you are precarious. Emergency brake.
Christina and I left the bridge to go look at more scenic things, and we find the guys are down here now with this guy who is backing his truck up to the trailer. They're down here helping him now. That does not surprise me with Bill.
Is he gonna hit them? Probably just knock them down.
Are you guys city workers now?
We got about another 2 feet.
Are you employed by the city now?
We're not allowed to let anybody go by.
Okay.
Right there. Drop it on the left.
Doing our good deed here in the city of Chattanooga.
Well, first we bet against them,
Now you're helping.
and then we felt bad, so we...
We have the best guys.
We do have. So many choices. Steve's self-portrait.
Look at that. We must have a fan.
Steve and Audra.
Oh man, now I have chalk fingers.
Are here.
Bill.
Billy.
Billy. How do you feel about that, Billy?
Don't like it.
We're gonna go on the carousel now.
Ooh. Whoops.
On chariot.
What animal are you gonna ride on?
I am going to ride
There's an
on the
ostrich
coach.
on the coach. What are you gonna ride on, Steve? There's a kitty cat,
I'm eyeing up
Wait.
the giraffe.
but he doesn't move. You can't go on one that doesn't move. That's not fun, right?
I don't want to go.
Look, there's an elephant.
Ostrich.
Yeah, the ostrich is pretty cool. Maybe the kitty. Look, there's a frog. Ooh, we have to choose our animals. Look, there's the kitty. Better get on before it starts. Bill.
3 thumbs up.
Yours goes up and down, so it looks like mine goes up and down. He'll need his own dinner for the first time tonight.
It's
First
very
time ever.
hard.
Is a Stouffer's meatloaf
I've
and
made
mashed
this before.
potatoes.
Way to go, Bill.
So what's really funny is when I walked in the van, they're like, "Oh, you should film this and you should say something." Second, I turned the camera on. We had a nice time exploring Chattanooga with Bill and Christina. We had a lot of fun.
Yeah, it was especially nice being able to explore with them. And now we're moving on. We're heading to Nashville, so we'll see you there next time.
As always, we love hearing from you. Please drop us a comment below.
Bye, guys.
See ya.